A couple of weeks ago, I got an email from one of you wanting to see if I had what it takes to be a firefighter. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Olivia Pajot, being put to the test here at the Jackson Fire Department.
We're well on our way to get properly staffed, but again, we could always use more people.
Assistant Fire Chief Joe Smith tells me that firefighter recruitment and retention is down nationwide. But this week, the Jackson Fire Department is adding 3 new recruits to the team.
The people that we're hiring currently, it's going to bring our staffing up to where it was approximately back in 2010.
The department now has 33 people total.
We want approximately 15 to 20 people on a structure fire because there's so many tasks that have to be completed at one time.
One of those new recruits is Gunnar Coda, soon to be a 3rd-generation firefighter.
So what has training been like for you then?
It's been awesome. We've got a lot of great leaders here, and they're teaching us all their tricks and tips, and it's pretty grueling, but it's a lot of fun. We're learning a lot.
So I wanted to see what training was like myself, starting with the gear.
On your mark, get set, go.
Smith tells me the key to a quick response time is getting your gear on in less than a minute.
Turn around there. Don't forget your gloves. Got your gloves.
Oh, so you're done, I see.
Yeah. Good job. Good job.
Now that I've got my gear, it's time to learn the basics.
Fire, let's go.
Oh, sorry. Okay. This one stops.
Not rather enough. Just in enough hand. Go. Run with it.
I think so.
All right, now open that veil.
I'm scared.
Though I didn't make the best firefighter, Smith tells me
Our doors are always open. Come talk to me, talk to your local fire department, and we'll put you on the right path.
in Jackson, I'm Olivia Pajot, Fox 47 News.